Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of recycled tech and uncover some hidden gems that you may not be aware of. So if you're ready to explore the incredible potential of repurposed gadgets, let's get started. Recycling technology has become more than just an environmental responsibility. It's now a creative and innovative way to give old devices a new lease on life. With advancements in technology happening at such a rapid pace, it's no surprise that we often find ourselves with outdated gadgets lying around. But instead of letting them gather dust, why not consider recycling them? One of the hidden gems of recycled tech is the concept of upcycling. Upcycling takes old devices and transforms them into something new and useful. For example, you can turn an old smartphone into a security camera or repurpose a laptop into a digital photo frame. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to breathe new life into your old gadgets. Another hidden gem lies in the world of refurbished electronics. Refurbished devices are pre-owned gadgets that have been thoroughly tested, repaired, and restored to their original working condition. These devices often come at a fraction of the cost of brand new ones, making them an affordable option for those on a budget. Plus, buying refurbished tech helps reduce electronic waste and is a more sustainable choice. Now let's talk about the hidden gems within recycled tech that benefit the environment. Did you know that recycling just 1 million laptops saves the energy equivalent of powering over 3,500 homes for a year? That's a staggering statistic. By recycling our old devices, we can significantly reduce electronic waste and minimize the negative impact on our planet. Additionally, recycling tech allows us to recover valuable materials such as precious metals, plastics, and glass. These materials can then be reused in the manufacturing of new devices, reducing the need for raw materials and conserving natural resources. So not only are we reducing waste, but we're also creating a more sustainable future. But what about data security? It's a valid concern when recycling tech, but the good news is that reputable recycling companies take data security seriously. They have strict protocols in place to ensure that all personal data is completely wiped from the devices before they are repurposed or recycled. So, you can rest assured that your information is safe. Now let's talk about where you can find these hidden gems of recycled tech. Many cities have dedicated e-waste recycling centers where you can drop off your old devices. These centers ensure that your gadgets are properly recycled or refurbished, giving them a second chance at life. Additionally, you can also look for online platforms that specialize in buying and selling refurbished electronics. In conclusion, the hidden gems of recycled tech are all around us. From upcycling old devices to discovering the world of refurbished electronics, there are countless opportunities to make a positive impact on the environment while also saving money. So, the next time you have an old gadget lying around, consider giving it a new purpose through recycling. Together, we can create a more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.